Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Rayneo Air 3S Pro. Now these are AR glasses that you can buy from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. These are fairly cheap compared to the latest model Rayneo Air 4 Pro. So I'm also going to be buying that one as well, and I'm going to do unboxing. So stay tuned for that one as well. And here, as you can see, we have the box. So looks fairly okay. Let me just quickly open this. And these one, guys, if you are looking in the used market, you can get this fairly cheap, and these are, in my opinion, one of the best AR glasses if you are at a budget. So let me just do this, and here is the box. By the way, it comes with the shield. Let me just quickly show you. We have one box over here and the other one that we got for free from Amazon. Here, as you can see. So basically what it does, it covers the front glass. So if you want a black background, it will give you that. And let me just quickly show you. It's also going to protect the glasses. So let's just keep it to the side for now, and let me open the box for our glasses. So here, as you can see, so the packaging looks really nice, and we have Rayneo here, as you can see, logo. And if we talk about specifications, guys, it comes with tandem micro OLED display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p and peak brightness up to 1200 nits. So let's just quickly open this from here. And there is another seal over here. So here, as you can see, we have our glasses that comes with a really nice carrying case. Let me just open this, and yeah, the case looks really nice, just like your regular glasses, sunglasses. So inside the box, let me just open it. We have some paperwork which we don't need actually. So here, as you can see, let me put these to the side and let's see what else inside the box. So let me open this one, and we get a quick start guide as well. Here is the user manual, which we actually don't need, so I'm gonna keep it inside. And extra nose plug that is, I believe, medium size, and microfiber cloth. So let me just quickly show you the glasses. And here is our glasses. Looks really amazing, guys. And here is the Type-C cable that comes inside this carrying case. So a really high quality Type-C cable. You are gonna need these to connect to your mobile device or PC. And you can also, by the way, use these with your handheld. Now let's just put this shield on the glasses. And this is my first AR glasses, so let's see how it's gonna perform, and in the end I will tell you if it is worth it to buy in 2026. Now let me just quickly remove the plastic from the front. I believe there is a sticker on the front. So now let's remove it. Here, as you can see. So let me put this to the side, and there is also plastic over here. And let's just remove it from here. So if you look at the design, guys, here, as you can see, on the right hand side, you can adjust the height of the glasses by adjusting the knob up and down. So it's gonna make a clicky sound. So we have 3 adjustable heights, and we have built-in speakers on the glasses, and we have a Type-C port. Here, as you can see, we have volume up and down keys and our menu button. And on the right hand side there is also a button. And yeah, the design looks amazing, guys. It's very lightweight. Plus here, as you can see, if you look at on the top, we have our speaker, I believe this is the speaker. Yeah, so here, as you can see, two speakers, built-in speakers, which is really nice. Guys, let me just test these and I will get back to you. So I'm gonna skip this video. So guys, after testing these with my Galaxy S25 Ultra, I must say that these are one of the best AR glasses if you are at a budget. And the resolution is really nice. The image quality looks really sharp and the brightness is amazing. So guys, if you like this video, please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.